Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're looking at question number 8, which is one of the 2016 release questions. It says the area of an airplane's wing is related to the airplane's lifting force, which holds the airplane in the air. The table below lists several wing areas and the corresponding lift forces. So here they are. The ratio of lifting force to area is equivalent for all pairs in the table. What are the values for X and Y? Alright, I propose that we take the most user-friendly ratio, which is this one right here, and let's reduce it. It looks like 125 would go into both the numerator and the denominator. Let's use the calculator to find out if that's true. If we take this number, 1,875, and divide it by 125, let's see if it goes in. And it does. Alright, so here's what we know. We know that if we divide 125 divided by 125, we get 1. And if we take this number and divide it by 125, we get 15. So we're looking at a 1 to 15 ratio in simplest form. We're going to use that in our proportion to solve. So again, that's a 1 to 15 ratio. And we're going to have the numerator be talking about the X value, or the wing, area of the wing. The denominator be talking about the lifting force, which is in this column right here. Alright, so the first value that we need to find out is this one right here. So we're going to put this number, this is the lifting force, so let's make that the denominator, 5,625. And we're going to solve for the wing, area of the wing. Let's use cross products. This cross product would be 1 times 5,625, which of course is 5,625. A little tough to write with my mouse today for some reason. Alright, the other cross product, right here, I'll circle that in purple, would be 15 times W. Now we're going to use our algebra skills to solve for W. The inverse, or the opposite of multiply a variable by 15, is to divide it by 15. We're going to do that on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. This will cancel out. And then we're going to go ahead and use the calculator to figure this out. We have to take this number and divide it by the bottom number of 15. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll clear it. We'll put in 5,625 divided by 15, and let's see what we get. Alright, so for a solution we get 375. Now if we look at the answer choices, that was the actual value. We were solving for X, so maybe we should rethink that as X. Let's look and see which ones have that as a choice. This one has it as a choice, and so does this one. That means we will reject choice B and D. Now to finish this up, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing, only we're going to erase this and erase this, which means the numbers down here are going to be different as well. Oops, I lost my L. Alright, so instead what you're going to do is you're going to take this number, which is 420, and we're going to put that up here. And now we're solving for Y. To finish this up, you're going to do 15 times 420. Use your calculator to find what that product is. And that's going to equal 1 times Y, which is Y. And whatever you get here should be either this number, this number, or this number. And whichever it is, you're going to reject the other one and choose the one that it is, and circle it and bubble it in on your answer sheet. Good luck finishing that up.